Hello everyone and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. Today's video will be a short unboxing and review of what I think to be the best magnetic car mount on Amazon right now. And when I say best, I don't mean the one with the strongest magnets or the one with the best thing. It's a best all-around package that I selected to show to you guys and to actually use. For a really long time, I have used this InCD WizGear mount that has been good to me for the past 2 years, but there were two problems with it. It broke down after 2 years, which is the first problem. The screw that was pushing the little blades that go into the CD player gap cracked. And another thing is it obstructed my view of the air conditioning and the center console of the car, if you wish. So I went on Amazon for Prime Day and chose this. This the WizGear magnetic car mount. They come two in an order, so that's one of the things that I like about them, and that's what makes them the best one for me. Mounted on the vent of the car, they stay out of the way. They look nice and sleek, and they work with any phone. So links to this and all the products mentioned afterwards, phone case, phone, etc., will be linked down below. Amazon, best prices out there. Okay, let's unbox this real quick. All right, pretty simple box. Paper, says magnetic car mount. It says 4 maintenance plates included. I don't know if this can focus. No tools required, one hand operation. Good, I like that. All right, and there are 2 of them, which is best thing. There's some papers that I guess you mount them on the plates if you decide to take them off, so the residue doesn't stick on your phone. I have the t-shirt stuck together pretty well. So I have the 4 car mounts. There are 2 round circular sticker metal plates and 2 rectangular metal plates. Let's open them up so I can show them to you. Here we go. One with adhesive on the other side, and the second one with adhesive on the other side, and the 2 round ones. All right, now let's look at the car mounts themselves. All right, and here is the main ingredient. These are the, let's take them out. These are the WizGear air conditioning vent car mounts. They come 2, they're magnetic. Now, reason I chose these 2 is because they came 2 of them, and I want to have one on the driver's side vent and one either in the center or in the passenger side vent, because my wife also likes putting her phone up on the magnetic mount for navigation or entertainment or for whatever reason. Also, for those of you who have 2 cars, that's a pretty good deal. These go for $9.99 when I bought them the other day. They should be still that price. I don't see why not. Also, if you're looking for just one, it looked like a slightly higher quality. The Oki has the same exact product. It looked slightly higher quality to me. I am not 100% sure because I have not ordered it, but you can look into that one as well. Its link would also be in the description. Now let's mount these into the vents and see how they look. So these are very simple to install. Just line them up with the little blades of the air conditioning vent and just put them right in. Here they are. This is one. Let's mount the other one right here in the center console. All right. Okay. Just line it up. Put it in. There you go. Nice and simple. Now let's look at the plates and how to mount them on my phone. Okay, for a really long time I have been using this Spigen ultra thin case for my Galaxy S8, and it's very nice and sleek. Also easy to get off and put back on. Also, I use the Dbrand scan shout out to the brand. But let's take one of these plates, and if you notice, this Spigen case has a little indentation, if you wish, on its back plate, so it can accommodate the magnetic the metal plates for the magnetic mount. So I'm just gonna slide the phone right back in, being careful not to move the plate around, and just like that, the metal plate is on, and let's mount it on to the magnetic mount, see how it looks. Okay, so putting it on is nice and easy. It snaps right on. Also, you just put it to the side and it comes right off. Here on the driver's side, also here on the center, it's easily visible and it looks really nice. Overall, I'm really happy with the way it looks. I'm actually really happy with these magnetic car mounts made by WizGear. I cannot recommend them more. They look very nice in the interior of the car. They're hassle-free to install and do not block any of the instruments of the car like my other one did. If you did like this video, why not hit the thumbs up? I know you want it, I know you do. And if you like the channel, these little product reviews, daily vlogs, also the work done on my car Slate, which is a 2006 Mercedes-Benz C350, hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell button as well, because notifications are cool, and why the hell not? Now I'm gonna continue with the rest of my day, snap my phone on my magnetic mount, and go have something to eat. You have a wonderful day. Bye!